Welcome to the personal property tour for number 12 Factory Road in Kirkcaldy. This one's for let guys. It's a 2-bedroom upper apartment. It's located in the centre of Kirkcaldy, just at the bottom of St Clair Street, and it's close to the town centre. It's got local amenities. You have the retail park close by. You've also got the train station just a short distance, and I've started today in the lounge because we have a spectacular view out to the west here, and it's a really nice day, and this bay window is worth the starting look. So let's take a look around this one today. So guys, I'm sure you'll understand why I started here. Just before we look at that view properly, the cornicing in here, the decorative cornicing that runs right round the whole room, the wooden panelling below, and the decor in here, it's just been finished, whitewash, neutral, and the grey carpets, and the same theme has been carried on throughout. So that keeps it quite contemporary, on trend, and really fresh and clean, spacious feeling in here. Views right out to the west, across Kirkcaldy and beyond. You've got a big bay window here. The sun's out, it's a lovely day to enjoy that. You've got 4 windows. They're all double glazed units as they are throughout, with the tilt and turn windows. You've got small storage in here as well. And then I'll just pan round to let you see the actual expanse of the room and those finishings with the decorative cornicing and panelling, and it just adds a bit of character and really finishes off the room very nice. New timber doors and chrome handles throughout the property as well. Head through the rest of the property. Off to the right here, the left, sorry, from the lounge is the bathroom. This has all been finished with these gloss tiles on the wall, vinyl flooring. You've got the heated towel rail, wash hand basin. You've got an opaque double glazed unit there, and then you've got the low level toilet. These tiles continue right around the entire bathroom. You've got the bathtub and the shower above with the shower screen. The shower runs from the combi boiler. You've got the downlighters as well, and again these timber doors and chrome handles. The entrance hallway, you could see from coming in the door from the landing, there's some of these decorative tiles. These are quite on trend and contemporary, just to stop the new carpets and things getting grubby from coming in from outside. This is great for taking off shoes and things. There's a big storage cupboard here as well. The kitchen's there at the end of the hall, but we'll look at the bedrooms first. Back down the end of the hall is the main bedroom. This is a really good sized double room. You've got the double window here at the front with the radiator and storage. Again, same decor. This is a really good sized double room. Again, with this decorative cornicing. And if we just have a quick look here, you've got those same views as you have from the lounge, from the bedroom. Continue up the hall and across to the second bedroom. Now this is a really good sized single room. You've got some storage under the window there, radiator, power sockets. You've got the double glazed unit. That looks out to the east, which is right across the Forth. You could possibly at a push get a double bed in here, but I would probably refer to this as a good size single. Timber doors, chrome finishes on the handles as well, but a good size second room. Then back out into the hallway. As I said, when you come into this entrance, you've got a good area for taking off shoes and things. This storage cupboard here, there's been a lot of works going on, so obviously there's tools and things. You've got the combi boiler there on the wall. This would be ideal for coats and shoes and storage, vacuums and things as well. So that's a really good addition to have straight off the entrance hallway. Kitchen here, we've got all the downlighters above. This has been finished to a good standard as well. There is spaces there, obviously the oven and the grill and things will go in there. The new hob is in, the extractor fan. You've got the black finished worktops with the white gloss units and the chrome handles. You've got the sink and draining board there, which looks out the window. Again, this looks out across to the Forth. Space there for fridge freezer, washing machine. You've got the radiator on the wall there as well, and these tiles all the way around for the splashback and above the cooker. Also here you have ample space for a table and chairs, or you could have a breakfast bar. There's enough space here to have at least 6, I would say, easily in this area. So it's a really good size kitchen dining area. Back through, I'll just give you one last look down. So we've got the second bedroom, main bedroom, bathroom, and then into the lounge again, where we started with those amazing views out that bay window. This is a really bright, I love this room. I really like the light that comes in this room, the views, and the road's there, but the double glazed unit, I mean, you'll hear from the video, you do not hear the traffic in this room. It's a really nice apartment in the centre. So guys, I'm sure you'll agree where we're located, this one will not sit around long. It's a 2-bedroom apartment, it's number 12 Factory Road in Kirkcaldy. We have got a lot of amenities and facilities on the doorstep. You're really close by to the retail park and of course to the train station. You've got almost direct access up onto the A92. So this one will be very appealing to maybe young professionals or a young family alike. So if you would be interested, please message me direct or speak to one of the lettings team on 01333 424 188. This is number 12 Factory Road in Kirkcaldy, 2-bedroom upper apartment, finished to a very high standard. It's got a really modern, on-trend feel while retaining a lot of the original features and character in here. So please be quick with this one, guys. This one will not sit on the market long. 12 Factory Road in Kirkcaldy. I'm Richard Cook, guys. This is Fife Properties.